Hello, how are you again? Now we are going to learn science. Okay, before we start learning from science from our book, let's remember what we have discussed previously, okay? Do you remember the previous lesson? Have you went out and did you count the things that you have seen in your compound? Good. Did you take of the pictures from where you sleep? For example, have you found the dirt? Did you take on that box? Good. Have you seen spider in your compound? Did you take that? Good. Have you seen a worm in your compound? Did you take on that part? I hope you have done this exercise properly. Okay. After that, I want you to open your book on page 62, which is about gardening. I like to garden. I like to plant things. Do you like planting things? Good. So, look at this picture. What is this girl doing? She's watering the plants. She's watering the plants. Have you ever watered plants in your compound? Good. That's good. Okay. I want to give you an exercise, an activity, which is to plant a flower in one place in your compound, and I want you to water it and to take care for that plant, okay? Because this topic is about gardening, so you have to learn how to plant things, how to water them, and you have to see how they grow, okay? Good. This is one activity for science. And the next lesson is parts of a plant. Do you know how many parts does a plant has? Mention some of them. Okay. Tell your mom some parts of the plants that you know. Okay, good. Let's see here. There is a plant here, a picture of a plant here, and it has different parts. Let's start from the first one. That is a bud. Yeah. Before the flower grows up, the plant will grow a bud. That part is called bud. Yeah. There is also flower. Yeah. Flower is one part of a plant. Good. Do you see this? What do you think this part of a plant is? I hope you have said fruit. Yes. Fruit is one part of a plant. Do you see this green part of a plant? What do we call this part of a plant? This is leaf. Good. Leaf. And there is a strong part that helps the plant to stand properly. What do we call that part? Stem. Yes. What is it? Stem. And there is a part of a plant that grows under the ground. That grows under the ground. What is that part of a plant called? Root. I hope you have said root. Good. Let's repeat one more time the parts of the plant, okay? Bud. What is this? Bud. Flower. Repeat after me. Flower. Fruit. Fruit. Leaf. Leaf. Stem. Stem. And inside the fruits there is another part. When you cut this fruit, you can find a seed inside the fruit. So there is a seed inside the fruit. You cannot see if you don't cut the fruit, okay? So these are parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. That's good. Let's go to the next lesson. What do you think these pictures are? We use these materials for means of communication. For example, do you know what this is? Mobile. What is this? Mobile. It is a means of communication. It is something that we use to communicate with others. Yeah, means of communication. These are means of communications. People exchange information using means of transportation. Communication. Means of communication. Okay, do you know what this is? What is this? Computer. What is this? Computer. Computer is one of the means of communication. What is this? Telephone. What is this? Telephone. What is this? Mobile phone. Yes, just like I showed you here. What is this? Mobile phone. What is this? Television. We get so many information from television, yes? Television. And what is this one? Newspaper. We get so many news by reading newspapers. Good. Repeat after me. Computer. Computer. Telephone. Telephone. Mobile phone. Mobile phone. Television. Television. Newspaper. Good. I want you to study this means of communication with your parents, okay? And don't forget to plant a flower and to take care of it, okay? Goodbye.